Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is In the Sky. It is from Social Studies lesson number 22. Let's see what we have in the sky. Sky in the afternoon. Look at the beautiful sky. As the sun rises in the sky, the earth becomes bright and full of life. On a sunny day, you see a clear sky, a bright sun, and white clouds. Students, let's learn some more about sun and clouds. Sun. Sun is a star. It is an enormous sphere of extremely hot gases, which is continuously shining and spinning around. It seems much bigger and brighter than any other star, but that is only because our planet is close to it. The sun is in the center of our solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun. It has been shining in space for more than 4.5 billion years. It is very far from our planet. Do you know how long it will take us to get the sun? Well, the sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. In spite of that, it takes only 8 minutes for the light to travel from the sun to earth. Students, you have seen clouds. How beautiful they are. They look like cotton floating in the air. But how they are formed? Clouds are formed by tiny water vapors and ice crystals. When atmosphere is not able to hold vapors anymore, these droplets become clouds. These clouds have different sizes. A single cloud may weigh as much as 7 million tons. They do not fall because warm air currents push up against the tiny droplets. Single tiny droplets are not heavy enough to overcome the resistance of the air below it until they become or join together into much larger drops. When they merge, they become heavy, and when they get heavy enough they begin to rain. Sky at night. Sky at night looks beautiful with bright white moon and twinkling stars. If you look at the sky and observe, stars seem to be arranged in different shapes. The moon is like a ball. Students, have you ever seen beautiful starry night? Of course you have seen it many times. Have you ever tried to count the stars? It is impossible to count the stars, but still it looks fun to count it, isn't it? Let's learn some more about moon and stars. Moon. The moon is the only satellite that orbits around the earth. It takes 28 days to moon to completely go around the earth. Moon changes its phases, which are called lunar phases. Moon has 4 phases, which are full moon, first quarter, new moon, and the last quarter. The moon is 385,000 kilometers away from the earth. Students, a rocket takes 3 days to get to the moon. And Neil Armstrong is the first astronaut who stepped on the moon. Stars. At night we see stars in the sky as tiny dots because they are so far from us. Stars seem to be small, cold, put and break dots, but in fact they are huge hard balls. Stars are shining because the constant learning process is going on inside them. Stars are different in size, brightness, and colors. Stars are so far from us, that's why it is hard to see the color of stars with our naked eye. There are red, yellow, blue, and white stars. More in the sky. You may have seen many other things in the sky, such as aeroplane, helicopter, kite, and birds. Aeroplane and helicopter can fly very high in the sky, while birds can't fly much higher. And also kite, we cannot fly kite much higher in the sky. Did you see, students, how interesting our sky is? Now I have a very interesting activity for you. Make a beautiful scenery of a sky of your choice with the help of paints, color pencil, pastel colors, etc. You may make a day sky or a night sky, or you may make both. You can see some examples here. Make a beautiful scenery and share it with us. Stay safe. Thank you.